Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. In today's video we are going to learn how to make fish in Candy Crush Saga. Without any delay, let's get started. Open Candy Crush Saga, launch Candy Crush Saga on your device and go to the menu. Once you are on the menu, go to the game. Complete the game with 3 stars, a perfect score. After you complete your game with perfect scores, the fish will come from right side and left side like this. And here you go, it's done. How to make fish in Candy Crush Saga. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.